So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be showing you how to download Photoshop 2022 in your PC. So to do that, you need to open any browsers in your laptop. So then search Photoshop 2022 get into my PC. So this after that, the first link you need to click it up, slide it downward. So after sliding downward, this download button, press it. After 10 seconds it will start downloading and your password will be getintopc.com. So let's go. So here you need to click it up, click it down. Oh, it is showing your warning, but don't worry about that, just click send anyway. So after that, the site will open and here you will get the downloaded link. Yeah, you will get the downloaded link. It will take some few hours. So when it is done, I will be back with you guys. Till then, like, comment, share and subscribe to this channel. After taking 6 hours, finally the link is been downloaded. Now open where the file is it. So to unzip it, you need to download zip files. So to do that, you need to download WinRAR. So I will be providing you the link in the description, so don't worry about that. So this is the site where you can extract your video. Now let's go to the download file, to the tabs, the link. So you need to double press it. I have already set the password is getintopc.com. you can see in the screen as well, so don't worry about that. I will provide you that in the description too. So after that, you will open something like that. You need to extract it. To extract it, you need to press the above extract to. So download to where you want. So in my case, I will download it in the download version. I have already downloaded. Go to setup, turn off the Wi-Fi. Yeah, okay, turn off the Wi-Fi, disconnect it, then double click on setup. Now choose your language, continue. So it takes some minutes to download the Photoshop. So it's much for today. Thanks for watching. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, like, comment, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.